Is your Baxi boiler showing an E110 error code? At Boilers2Go, we'll help you get your heating back on. The E110 code is an overheat safety warning. It shuts your boiler down when the water temperature gets too high. The most common cause is low water pressure. If your gauge is below 1 bar, the boiler can't circulate water properly. To fix this, top up your system using the filling loop until the gauge reads between 1 and 1.5 bar. Once the pressure is right, press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds until the error code clears. Another culprit is a faulty circulation pump. If the pump is stuck, water stays in the heat exchanger too long. Finally, a blocked heat exchanger can cause E110. This is usually due to limescale or sludge buildup restricting flow. If these steps don't work, you'll need a gas-safe engineer to inspect your pump or heat exchanger. For more expert boiler and heating advice, subscribe to Boilers2Go today. We're here to keep your home warm.